Have you ever wondered what the future holds for software engineering in the era of artificial intelligence? Shout out to Faizan Javed for this great topic. In the blink of an eye, we've entered a world where AI is no longer a fringe concept, but an integral part of our everyday lives. It's transforming industries, redefining the boundaries of what's possible, and software engineering is no exception. Software engineering is on the cusp of a revolution. The rapid advancements in AI are not just reshaping the landscape of software development, but are also introducing new tools specifically designed to aid software engineers. AI is not just about automation, it's also about augmentation. These AI tools are like sidekicks, enhancing the capabilities of software engineers, making them more efficient, and helping them solve complex problems with ease. One such tool that's making waves in the tech industry is Devin AI by Cognition Labs. But what is Devin AI and how is it shaping the future of software engineering? Stay tuned to find out. So, what exactly is Devin AI and how is it revolutionizing software engineering? Devin AI, developed by Cognition Labs, is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence tool specifically designed to streamline the software engineering process. It's like a smart assistant that's been tailored for coders, providing them with insights, solutions, and automations that make their work more efficient and effective. The technology behind Devin AI is a fusion of machine learning algorithms and natural language processing techniques. This enables it to understand and interact with code in a manner similar to a human programmer. It can read, write, and even debug code, which is a game changer in the world of software development. But it's not just about automating mundane tasks. Devin AI is designed to learn from the code it interacts with, continuously improving its understanding and capabilities. It's like having a seasoned programmer who never stops learning and improving, at your disposal 24/7. One of the primary functions of Devin AI is to assist software engineers in their day-to-day tasks. From generating code snippets based on a given requirement, to identifying potential bugs and providing possible fixes, Devin AI is there to help. It can even analyze large code bases and provide insights into the software's structure and dependencies, saving engineers countless hours of manual work. But Devin AI's impact goes beyond individual tasks. It's changing the landscape of software development by enabling teams to work smarter, not harder. With Devin AI, tedious tasks like code review and bug hunting can be automated, freeing up engineers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their work. It's like having an extra pair of hands that are always ready to help, making software development faster, smoother, and more enjoyable. In essence, Devin AI is not just a tool, but a partner that's always there to assist, learn, and evolve, helping software engineers navigate the ever-changing seas of code and technology. But the question on everyone's mind is, will Devin AI replace programmers? It's a valid concern. As AI evolves, will there still be a place for human programmers? You might be wondering this, especially with the advent of advanced AI systems like Devin AI by Cognition Labs. But before we dive into the heart of the matter, let's understand something fundamental. AI, at its core, is designed to automate repetitive tasks, not to replace human ingenuity. AI systems like Devin can certainly automate mundane aspects of programming, such as code generation and bug detection. They can sift through vast repositories of code in seconds, something that would take a human programmer hours, if not days. They can detect patterns and anomalies with a precision that surpasses human ability, making them invaluable in maintaining code quality and efficiency. But programming is not just about writing code. It's about problem-solving, creativity, and innovation. It's about understanding the needs of the user and translating those needs into a functional, user-friendly application. These are areas where human programmers excel, and where AI, in its current form, falls short. AI lacks the ability to understand context, to discern the subtle nuances that only a human can grasp. It can't innovate or think outside the box. It can't empathize with the end user or understand the emotional aspect of design. These are qualities that are uniquely human, and they make human programmers irreplaceable. So, will Devin AI replace programmers? The answer is no. But it will change the way programmers work. It will take over the tedious aspects of programming, freeing up human programmers to focus on the creative, problem-solving aspects of their job. It will be a tool, a partner, a sidekick to the programmers, making their job easier and more efficient. In essence, AI and human programmers are not adversaries, but allies. They complement each other, each bringing their unique strengths to the table. Together, they can achieve results that neither could achieve alone. Now that we've addressed some of the fears, the next question is, how can you access and use Devin AI? Getting started with Devin AI is simpler than you might think. You don't need to be a rocket scientist or a seasoned coder to get going. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a thirst for innovation. Let's start with the basics. To access Devin AI, you first need to visit the Cognition Lab's website. Once there, look for the Products tab and click on it. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Devin AI. This will take you to the Devin AI product page. Now let's talk about registration. You'll find a Get Started or Sign Up button on the Devin AI product page. Click on it to begin the registration process. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information, your name, email address, and a password. Be sure to provide a valid email address, as you'll need to verify it later. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and accepted the terms and conditions, click on the Register or Create Account button. You'll receive an email to verify your account. Open the email and click on the verification link. Voila! You're now a registered user of Devin AI. Next up is the initial setup. After logging into your account, you'll be guided through a quick setup process. This involves selecting your preferred programming language and setting up your workspace. Don't worry if you're not sure about something. Devin AI is designed to guide you every step of the way. Remember, Devin AI isn't just a tool, it's a companion. It's there to assist you, learn from you, and grow with you. So don't be afraid to explore, experiment, and push boundaries. Once you've set up Devin AI, it's time to learn how to use it to its full potential. Whether you're a veteran programmer or a newbie dipping your toes into the vast ocean of AI, Devin AI is ready to be your faithful sidekick, guiding you on this exciting journey into the future of software engineering. The power of Devin AI is at your fingertips. Let's delve into how to use it effectively. Devin AI, an innovative tool from Cognition Labs, comes packed with a plethora of features designed to streamline the software engineering process. To get started, simply log into your account and you'll be greeted with a user-friendly dashboard. This is your control panel, the epicenter of your AI-assisted software engineering journey. First, let's talk about the Code Assistance feature. This is your personal coding assistant that understands your code's context and provides real-time suggestions. Whether you're working on a complicated algorithm or debugging an error, Code Assistance is there to offer a helping hand. Next, we have Code Review. This feature acts like your personal editor, scanning your code for errors, inconsistencies, and areas that could use a bit of refining. It's like having a second set of eyes, always ensuring your code is top tier. One of the standout features is project management. This keeps track of your tasks, deadlines, and progress, ensuring you stay on top of your game. It's your personal project manager, minus the nagging. Now let's discuss a few best practices. Remember, Devin AI is a tool, not a replacement. It's here to assist, not do the job for you. Always double-check the suggestions provided by the AI and use your judgment. Secondly, don't be afraid to explore. Devin AI is packed with features, and you never know what might come in handy. Whether it's the code visualizer for better understanding complex structures, or the learning resources to upskill, make sure you're making the most of what Devin AI has to offer. Lastly, keep it updated. Cognition Labs is constantly working on improvements and new features. By keeping your software up to date, you'll always have access to the latest and greatest in AI-assisted software engineering. With Devin AI, you're not just a software engineer, but a pioneer in the new era of AI-assisted software engineering. But what if you're a software engineer looking to break into the field of AI? Well, there are a few key skills you'll need to master. First, get a solid understanding of programming languages such as Python, Java, or C++. These are the building blocks of AI and machine learning algorithms. Next, you'll want to dive into data structures and algorithms, as they are fundamental to understanding how AI works. Don't forget about statistics and linear algebra. These are the mathematical foundations of machine learning and AI, and understanding them will give you a significant advantage. Now, to gain practical experience and a competitive edge, consider using tools like Devin AI. These platforms allow you to apply your skills in real-world scenarios, giving you the hands-on experience needed to stand out. Remember, AI is a rapidly evolving field, and staying up to date with the latest trends and technologies is crucial. The future is here and it's exciting. Are you ready to be a part of it? If you like our content and want to be updated on the latest goings-on in the tech world and what's coming to your door, Consider subscribing to the channel and comment. Let your thoughts be heard because AI will affect us all sooner than later. Be prepared.